Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 14. At a friend's house. A guest visiting a friend's house. Example, thank you for inviting me, / would you like some tea? Complete above scenario. Answer, scenario, at a friend's house, a guest visiting a friend. Characters, guest and host. Conversation. Guest, thank you for inviting me. Your house is beautiful. Host, you're welcome. I'm so glad you could come. Please, have a seat. Guest, thank you. How have you been? Host, I've been doing well, thank you. How about you? Guest, I'm doing great. By the way, I love the way you've decorated your living room. Host, thank you. I recently added some new plants and artwork. Guest, they look amazing. Would you like me to help with anything? Host, not at all. Please relax. Would you like some tea or coffee? Guest, tea would be lovely, thank you. Host, all right, let me bring it. Do you have any preference for snacks? Guest, anything will do. Thank you so much for your hospitality. Host, it's my pleasure. Let's catch up while we enjoy some tea. Guest, that sounds wonderful. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.